In this video, we will be studying about the calculation of simple arithmetic mean in case of individual series. See, I told you what are the individual series in the previous video. That series which are followed by the serial number and do not have any frequency or the repetitive number. So, this simple arithmetic mean in an individual series, there are two methods, that is direct method and the second is your shortcut method. Let's understand the direct method first, which is very simple. Let's suppose the pocket allowance of 10 students is 15, 20, 30, 22, 25, 18, 40, 50, 55 and 65. So what you have to do, find out the average pocket allowance. So what you will do in this, first of all, you will make the series, that is pocket allowance. You will name the series as X. Write down in the series, that is 15, 20, 30, 22, 25, 18, 40, 50, 55 and 65. So this is an individual series with no frequency. Now what is the formula of calculating the arithmetic mean in direct method is X bar. I told you, you denote your mean using X bar is equal to summation of X divided by N, where your summation of X is equal to sum of all items in the series. N is equal to the number of items. So, in this, you can find out the X bar, that is the average pocket allowance. We have assumed pocket allowance as X. So, the average pocket allowance, which is X bar, is equal to the sum of all the items, that is 15 plus 20 plus 30, 22 plus 25 plus 18 plus 40 plus 50 plus 55 plus 65, which comes out to be 340. And the number of items, the number of students are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So divide this, we get rupees 34 as the average pocket allowance of 10 students is rupees 34. So this is the direct method to calculate the arithmetic mean or the simple arithmetic mean. Now let's understand how you will calculate the arithmetic mean using the shortcut method. See, a shortcut method means X bar is the arithmetic mean, A plus summation D divided by N. Now A is your assumed mean, N is equal to your number of items, and summation D is equal to the sum of deviation from assumed mean. in this shortcut method, from the series you take the mid value or the middle mean, that you take it as assumed mean, and then what you do, in order to calculate the deviation, you subtract the arithmetic mean from your x, from the items of the series. You get the deviation. Then you add all the deviations, you will get summation d. And then you can put the formula and calculate. Let's take with the help of example. The same example. The pocket allowance x 15, 20, 30, 22, 25, 18, 40, 50, 55, 65. Now what you have to do, you have to choose any number as the assumed mean. Try to choose the middle number or the number with 0, because it's very easy to subtract 20 from 15. So let's take the middle value 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no middle value, but we can choose accordingly near to the middle value. See, I told you to choose the value with 0 at the end. So we can take 40 in this case. You have to choose the assumed mean from the series only. So you have chosen the assumed means, let's say 40. So in this you will find out the deviation, that is equal to x minus a. X is your series, this. A you have taken assumed mean as 40, from the series you have assumed the mean. Now you can find out the deviation. 15 minus 40 is minus 25. 20 minus 40 is minus 20. 30 minus 40 is minus 10. 22 minus 40 is minus 18. 25 minus 40 is minus 15. 18 minus 40 is minus 22. 40 minus 40 is 0. 50 minus 40 is 10. 55 minus 40 is 15. 65 minus 40 is 25. Now you have to find out the summation d. So you will add all the items. So minus items you will add, you will get minus 110. Then you will add positive items, you will get 50 plus. So the summation d will be equal to your minus 110 plus 50, which is equal to minus 60. Now put all, we have got the value of a 40. Summation d we have find out the value, and we know because the number of students are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all the values we have got, we can find out the arithmetic mean. So x bar is equal to a plus summation d divided by n, whereas your a is 40 plus summation d is minus 16 divided by 10. So this is 40 plus minus is minus 6. So 34 rupees is your arithmetic mean. Through direct method also you got the answer 34. From shortcut method also you got the answer rupees 34. So we use the shortcut method in order to simplify the calculations. If we have got some huge numbers and we need to multiply and then divide and other things, so in that case it is very easy to use the shortcut method. So these are the two methods, the direct method and the shortcut method, to find out the simple arithmetic mean in case of the individual series. I hope you like the video. Please download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience.